12 minutes. Oh, I didn't notice the audio was not on. I did not notice it. My bad, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'll do the analysis again. Your USD did not give me an entry point, and the payout rate at that time was too low. Euro GPY, yes, it's a downtrend. True. But the first red flag that I got is the MACD. MACD is signaling a reversal. Volumes are going up. But if you look at the chart and then in MT5, the bigger picture, it is choppy, but it is an uptrend. Weak, but it's an uptrend. So I need to take a trade going up or a signal going up. Hence, I waited for the price to break the red line of the triangle. Once the triangle broke the red line, I look at MACD again. It's still going good. It's still signaling a reversal to the upside. Volumes are going up. The moving averages have not crossed, but I'm pretty sure they will. Win or lose, this is the only trade. Now, the audio didn't cut it, mostly because it was cut off, and that was my bad. My bad. But Kathy, my client, decided to make a big deposit. If I'm not mistaken, she deposited $140. I'm like, sheesh, talk about putting pressure on me. But with discipline and careful chart reading, I think I can manage. I already managed it once, so I'm pretty sure I can manage it again. Hopefully the chart holds up there. Or if it decides to keep going up, I'll gladly take it. Nine minutes in the trade. Okay, right now, if you look at the MACD, the moving averages have crossed. That's a signal for me that it's gonna keep going up. The volume, which are the little green candles you see down there, are also going up. That's also a signal for me that it's ready to go up instead of keep going down, since it's in the lower part of the chart, or the lower part of the movement. Like you can see over here in MT5, you see that big blue line? That's the bottom part of the uptrend. It's like I said, it's weak, but it's an uptrend. And I think my trade is in a good position. It is in the breakout of the red line. So I'm betting that it will keep going up. Hopefully. You never know on Friday. You never know. Yes. 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 Let me check if I'm broadcasting, because it acted weird. Yeah, I'm still streaming. Okay. Price is still going up as predicted. That is good. Keep going up, baby. Stay up there. Hold it up. MACD is still signaling that it's going up. We may have a little retracement, but right there where the price is at, a little bit lower, there's a resistance point. a resistance line. There's or a support line. It was resistance, but it is support right now. It's not drawn in there, but there is a round number in there, and that's gonna help me a lot. That's a good green candle. Beautiful, beautiful. As I said before, I need to keep discipline. One trade, one day, one trade only. Win or lose, trade. Gotta keep it on that margin. One trade. That's it. That's where I get all my losses and accounts blown. 6 more minutes in the trade. 6 more minutes or 3 candles. Stay up there, baby. 3 more candles before this is a win. I'm expecting a little bit of a retracement, but I'm sure it's gonna keep going up. Right now, the price has a lot of momentum going up. Yes, that is awesome. How was everybody's Friday? Good. Mine was also. There was not much workload at my job, but I can't complain. I'm still getting paid to do it. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes before this trading session is over. Everything is going good right now. Price has a lot of up pressure. This is starting to look like the Wednesday session. Now again, for those guys that are barely joining me, if you see to your left hand, you'll see the MT5 platform where I put my trade. It's in the breakout of the red line going to the upside. And that's a little bit before the moving average cross in the MACD down here. It still has a lot of out pressure. This is going to be a for sure win for me. Once the moving averages over here in the MACD cross to the upside, it was all momentum from up there. From there, it keep going up and up and up, and it's still going up. Yeah, this looks a lot like the trade I did on Wednesday. It just kept going and going and going up. Now with Kathy this deposit, I'm pretty sure the profits are gonna have a little bit of boost. They're gonna boost as well. According to my calculation, if I keep going at this pace, I should have the 20 grand by September 2nd or 3rd, but I need to be perfect. Of course, if I lose 1 or 3 sessions, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna close the session and go ahead the next day. I already had one losing day in this week, but other than that, I've been winning. This is a for sure win. You guys can call this a win already, much like on Wednesday. There's still two more minutes in the trade, but this is a win. I can call it a win. For me to lose this trade, the price will need to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to reach my entry point, which is not, I'm not gonna say impossible, but really hard to do, even if it is OTC. This time it is OTC since it's Friday and the real markets are closed. Last candle in my trade, or 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, or last candle in the trade. Now the price is going down. That's normal because of the huge climb that it has right now. Well, that it had in the past. You had one, two, three, four, five green candles, so it's normal for it to have a red candle. And even still, I'm not too sure that it's gonna end in red. Either it's a red candle, or we'll have a very large wick with a green candle. But this is a win for sure. I'm not worried, man. I'm not stressed. No stress for me today either. Not like yesterday. 1 more minute before this is a win. 1 more minute. So far this week, I had wins on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today. That's 4 wins versus 1 loss, which was Thursday, Tuesday. If I'm not mistaken, Tuesday is when I had my losing day. Not bad. $10. Like I said, it's a for sure win. Even though it's a really big red candle, but that it's still far away from my entry point. Win. Nice win. I hope I keep having days like this. Stress-free trades. Let's just keep going in one direction. Now, as Eric said before, we gotta take our time in reading the chart. Look at all the signals that it gives. If it's going up, if it's going down, take your time. Don't rush into it. I'm sure as hell not doing it. Not like I was doing it before. Let the chart speak to you. Let it speak. You get your win. Just like I'm getting mine. Well, it is time to log in the sheets. It's not gonna reflect my true earnings, but I still have to log it in. I'll close 75. Log in the sheets. Now we left at 29 with 31 cents. Now plus today's win and the deposit, our account is at 190 with 1 cent. Don't pay attention to this 500%. That's not true. It ain't true at all. The real gain for today's session was $25. $25.70. That's today's session profit. Big shout out to Music City Trader for helping me out, for giving me advice. He's a good teacher, and he's working on something big for you guys. I'm pretty sure that he would love you to have you in the channel and in his group. In there, we're gonna share our daily trades, tips, probably classes as well. Well, we'll see. That'll be for the future. But for now, Music City Trader is the way to go. See you guys later.